What's up and welcome back to Sir Super Random. Now we're in the middle of a blizzard in New York City. I mean, look at this. This is crazy.
Snowstorm, little brother.
Whatever. Snowstorm, blizzard, they're the same thing. Or not. Alright, but anyways, we got this bucket. This is a 5-gallon bucket. You can't even see the freaking bottom of it.
Look. I'm a god of the weather. Oh my god.
Okay. And I don't know how this came here, but we legit found a stick.
I think you got that from like Shelter Island or something.
No, why would it, Kai? The terrace wasn't even open when we came back from Shelter Island. So anyways, if you do not want to see my dad in his underwear, please subscribe. Or if you do want to see him, do subscribe. Either way, just put it down in the comments and leave a like. Alright, banana out.
You still do that?
What?